The Cocreator in Paint is an image creator that can generate images based on prompts provided by the user. Here's how it works. So you go here and type Paint. Open the Paint application. You have these enhanced set of tools, much more improved than previous releases of Microsoft Paint. To the right of it, we have the image creator. To use the image creator, you have to be signed in with your Microsoft account. So as soon as you click on the image creator, it's usually going to prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. From here, simply type a prompt, and then you press Create. You can also select different styles for these images, such as charcoal, ink sketch, watercolor, photorealistic, and digital art, and so on. Then select the picture that you prefer, and if you don't like that one, change it to a different one. Then further modify it using the paint tools or the brushes or the shapes and so on. And the image generator in Photos lets you generate that image directly in the device without having to reach out to the cloud.